How to fix Monopoly Go app keeps crashing. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how to fix Monopoly Go app keeps crashing. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to hold your Monopoly Go app. And you can see here the app info. You can click this. To fix Monopoly Go app keeps crashing is you need to click the clear data at the bottom middle. And here it said clear all data and clear cache. You can click the clear cache and the clear data. And the second way to fix the crashing is to go to Play Store and search for Monopoly Go. And you need to update this app. Make sure it is updated to the latest version. Once you update it, if it is still crashing, you can go reinstall the app. And that's how you can fix keep crashing on Monopoly Go app. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.